Pretty sexy. I think he's out of battery.
He died.
Wait. I put that nigga right. That nigga said, I ain't on a boat. Look at this cake. Somebody's first day at the Acme supermarket. What do you think, Dub?
Hot. Looks good.
That's how you're looking tonight. And then we have, yeah, this is getting posted on Facebook. Why do you always have to be a hater when you're such a little lover? And Joe. Ew! Joe, you don't ever give the finger.
On pictures I did, yeah. On film.
Let's get Capano and Hess. Third. How's it going, J-Rod? Got anything to say? I can't zoom in. My handsome brother, ladies, but he's taken. Alright, I'm a retard. I'm going now.